Hello again, I'm Leonor. You saw the downstairs portion of the Adobe house. I'm going to show you the upstairs part. Now this is the girls' room. There are 3 beds here, but that doesn't mean 3 girls slept in here. When the Olivases lived here, there were 2 to 3 sisters snuggled in each bed at night. There was no running water, and there was no bathroom in the house. So there was only a outhouse out in the courtyard. Now this is a chamber pot. Now could you imagine waking up at night and having to use the bathroom? Now you would go downstairs, it could be rainy or cold, or you just may hear the coyotes howling in the background. Now I wouldn't want to do that. But the Olivas family, they did use chamber pots, but don't worry, they were emptied and cleaned every day. Now let's look at some of the toys that the Olivas children may have played with. These porcelain-faced dolls were fashion dolls. They were given to the women at the time to show them the new fashions of dresses. Once they were done with the dolls, they would pass them down to their children to play with. Now let's go look at the master bedroom. We are now in Don Raimundo's and Dona Teodora's bedroom. Because there were many children, there was often a baby sleeping in a cradle next to their bed. As the Olivases gained wealth, they would have bought furniture, maybe like this armoire, to hang all of their clothing. Here are some examples of clothing that the Olivas family may have worn. A robonso, which is a shawl, was worn by women to keep them warm as they worked. The men and boys could stay warm wearing a poncho, like this one, or a vest called a chaleco. Such as this could be worn by men or boys over a shirt and under the jacket for added warmth. They also used trunks to store their belongings in. This red trunk actually belonged to the Olivas family. It was purchased in Santa Barbara off of a ship from China. Now I would like to show you a very special room. This was a very special room to the Olivases. Daily prayer was very important to them, so they built a chapel in their home. Daily prayer services, as well as weddings, christenings, and funerals were held here. We have recreated the altar to depict it as it was when the Olivas family lived here. Now this small organ is a melodeon organ, also called a coupon organ, which the Olivas family would have purchased off a ship along with other treasures. Now that concludes our visit to the Adobe house.